Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about moment generating function. So in this video we will be discussing about what is moment generating function and what is the formula. Then after that how to calculate moment generating functions. Okay, let us see all those in this video. So first let us see what is formula to calculate moment generating functions. So in probability there are two types. The first one is discrete type and the second one is continuous type. What is discrete type and continuous type, that already we have discussed in our previous video. So in this video we are directly going to calculate what is moment generating function. So what is moment generating function? So first let us see the formula. If discrete type is given, then to calculate, this is the notation mx of t for moment generating function. So in short we are calling it mgf. Okay, now mx of t means it is moment generating function. So the formula if discrete type is given is summation x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power tx into px if discrete is given. Suppose if continuous is given, then the formula is integral over minus infinity to plus infinity e power 2 tx f of x into dx. So this is the formula if continuous is given. So now let us directly going to solve some problems. These are the results that we will be discussing later. So first let us come to the problem. So the problem is, first I will read the problem, then I will explain. The problem is if the random variable x has mgf means it is moment generating function. The mx of t is equal to 3 divided by 3 minus t. Find the standard deviation of, this is the question. So here moment generating function is given, then we have to find out what is the standard deviation for this problem. So first write mx of t is equal to what is given. Mx of t is equal to 3 divided by 3 minus t. So this is can be written as when you transform the denominator to numerator, on minus 1 will come, because if we have x power minus 1, this can be written as 1 by x. Suppose if we have 1 by x, that can be written as it is x power minus 1. So அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம், 3 minus t the whole power 1 can be written as minus 1. Now first differentiate mx of t with respect to t, then differentiate formula anything power n is equal to n into n minus 1. So now differentiate, start differentiating. So I'm going to differentiate. This is constant, 3 is constant. So 3 is constant, so keep as it is. Now you just treat 3 minus t as x, then minus 1 as n. So n means minus 1, 3 already constant, minus 1, 3 minus t the whole power, minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 is minus 2. So after simplification the term will become 3 times 3 minus t the whole power minus 2. Now find out the second derivative of mx of t. That means you have to differentiate the given function the one more time. So here this time we are going to differentiate mx of t one more time with respect to t. So already we have differentiated with respect to t one time. That answer should be differentiated the another time with respect to t. This is the task that we have to follow here. So this answer is going to be differentiated with respect to t is one more time. So again the same formula here I am going to use. So after using the formula I get this results. So now put t is equal to 0 in this result, then let us see what happened. So here what is the question? The question is find the standard deviation. So for standard deviation we need all those things. So first t is equal to 0 means if we apply t is equal to 0, then we will get this result 1 by 3. Then find out the second derivative at t is equal to 0, then we will get this results. Okay, now find out the variance. So this is the formula to calculate variance, mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash the whole square. So mu 2 is what, the second derivative, it is 2 by 9. Mu 1 is what, is the first derivative, it is 1 by 3 the whole square. So what is the answer? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 9. The final answer is 1 by 9. Okay, clear? Now, standard deviation formula. This is the standard deviation formula. Now you will get a clear idea. நாம ஏன் வந்து இந்த திங்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து என்ன பண்ணோம், given mx of t ரைட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். ஆஃப்டர் தட் we have found out what is the first derivative of mx of t with respect to t, then the second derivative of mx of t with respect to t. Then in these two results we have applied where t is equal to 0, then what is the answer, that also we have calculated. After that we have found what is the value of mean by help of mean formula, then we calculated variance formula. Now standard deviation, if we need standard deviation, then square root of variance. So the square root of variance is 1 by 9, so therefore standard deviation is 1 by 3. Understand? Clear? So it is 1 by 3. So thank you. In next video we will discuss another problem.